Hello and welcome to the first video of our EPR registration series. Before moving ahead, let's look at some unbelievable facts. Do you know that the mass production of plastics that began 6 decades ago has created a plastic generation of around 8.3 billion metric tons, and most of it ends up as plastic waste? Around 79% of the plastic waste that is generated settles in the landfills of our planet, which eventually ends up in the ocean. If this situation is not handled responsibly, then by 2050 there will be more plastic in the ocean than fishes. Plastic packaging is a significant chunk of the plastic waste generated because it is often designed for a single use and then discarded. Once plastic packaging is discarded, it takes around 400 years to degrade. And most of the plastic packaging generated decades ago still exists on our planet, and it has now become a global priority to drastically minimize the use of it. My name is Akash and I represent my company AV International, which is a leading export and import consultant of India. Let's study what is EPR registration for plastic waste and why has it become so important now. Considering the facts discussed, it is very important for each country to make laws towards limiting the use of plastic, recycling of plastic waste and ensuring its safe disposal. Therefore, the government introduced EPR, that is Extended Producer Responsibility, as a part of plastic waste management rules in 2016. Now what exactly is EPR registration? EPR stands for Extended Producer Responsibility as introduced in the Plastic Waste Management Rules 2016 to handle plastic waste responsibly. The EPR policy is based on the principle of polluter pays, and therefore the entities who introduce plastic waste in India have to apply for EPR registration. These entities have to register themselves with the Central Pollution Control Board and provide accurate information about the generation and consumption of plastic packaging. Additionally, the registered entities will be given targets for recycling of plastic packaging introduced and also ensuring its safe disposal. Who have to apply for EPR registration? As per the EPR guidelines, it is necessary for all producers, importers and brand owners, that is PIBOs, to get EPR registration. Additionally, plastic waste processors are also required to get EPR registration. Now, who exactly are these producers, importers, brand owners and plastic waste processors? As defined in the EPR guidelines, producer is an entity that is involved in manufacturing of plastic packaging only. Importer is an entity that imports either plastic packaging or any product that is wrapped in plastic packaging. Brand owner is an entity who sells any commodity wrapped in plastic packaging under any registered brand label or trademark. And plastic waste processor is an entity that recycles plastic waste and is engaged in the safe disposal of plastic waste. What kind of plastic packaging comes under EPR registration? What kind of plastic is hazardous to the environment? What are the various kinds of plastic packaging available in the market? Let's understand this here. So there are basically 4 types of plastic packaging. Type 1 is rigid packaging. Rigid plastic packaging is generally made up of number 2 HDPE, that is high density polyethylene, or number 5 PP, that is polypropylene. They have open tops and are generally covered with a lid. These are generally used for storage of food, beverages, sometimes chemicals, pharmaceutical products, pigments, personal care and other household products. It is very commonly used to package products such as soft drinks, snacks and dairy products. Type 2 is flexible plastic packaging. This type of plastic packaging is generally made up of high quality polymers including PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride, polyamide polypropylene and polyethylene. It can be used to make pouches, carry bags, wraps, shrink wraps and other malleable product containers in the same way as foil, plastic and paper cans. Flexible plastic packaging is used in various industries including food and beverages, healthcare, personal care, household products and industrial retail products due to cost effectiveness, durability and lightweight nature. Type 3 is multi-layered plastic packaging, also known as MLP. MLP is a type of packaging made by combining different materials like aluminum foil, polyethylene terephthalate, that is PET, polypropylene, polyethylene and paper. MLPs are composed of multiple layers and can be constructed using either thermoset or thermoplastic materials. This type of packaging finds applications in a variety of fields such as pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, electronics, food storage and e-commerce. And finally, type 4, that is plastic sheets. The plastic sheets are extruded or cast into thin films which can be used to package a variety of range of products. The films can be customized to meet specific requirements such as thickness, strength, flexibility and transparency. These films are then used to make various types of plastic packaging such as pouches, sachets and bags which can be used for packing food items, industrial products, consumer goods and other items. Now how can we help you here? Our company, AV International, is India's leading EPR consultants for plastic packaging. We can not only help you with obtaining EPR registration, but also guide you on the post-EPR registration compliance. For more information about our company, please visit our website www.avigroup.in. Stay tuned for more videos on the know-hows of EPR. If you like our content, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates. Thank you.